Prior to joining Penn State, I was Regional Vice President for Marquet Plastics in Kansas City, Missouri. Prior to that, I was Executive Vice President of Loeffler Systems of New Jersey. That's a manufacturer of specialized equipment for the plastics industry and also a manufacturer of plastic bottles. Prior to that, I was Manager of Technology for Brockway Incorporated, Brockway Glass. That's now part of Owens, Illinois. I also owned and operated a retail firm for over 10 years. Actually, I'm Associate Professor of Management Development now and have a PhD in Workforce Education and Development, and I have an MBA from Clarion University in Finance, as well as an undergraduate in engineering from Penn State. I'm a registered professional engineer. It's a mid-sized manufacturing company that came to us with struggling performance. Actually, I worked with them for several years. They were interested in changing the way they manufactured their product from an assembly line operation to a cellular team-based operation. Spent a lot of time and effort with that organization and was quite gratified, actually, a couple years later to learn that they had increased their performance over 100%. So with the importance of manufacturing jobs, the multiplier effect of those types of jobs in a particular regional economy, that was a very important and gratifying thing for me personally. A lot in the leadership, related to leadership in organizations, but as well as continuous performance improvement, entrepreneurship, particularly technology-based entrepreneurship. Well, people say a lot, but also we do a post-survey of the folks that actually paid the bill about the impact of the programs. So I actually have hard data related to this. And for every dollar that they've spent with Penn State, there's been at least $50 in benefits that have come back to those organizations that reported impact. Well, hopefully by the data that they've supplied us and the impact statements that we get, we have indeed performed the mission that we were charged to do over actually 91 years ago. Actually, Penn State is a leader in this, and we may have been, and I believe, the first management development in the country, so we've sustained ourselves for 91 years.